Making $100 a day as a rapper or a singer is not too hard, but it can be if you don't have the fan base built. But I'm going to show you some ways you can pull in that cash to make $100 a day or $3,000 a month right here on the Music Money Makeover Show. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Music Money Makeover Show. I know you want these 5 ways, so I'm going to just give it to you right here. Let's go. All right, everybody, so check this out. This is going to be our first method of making the $100 a day. This is probably going to be our most difficult one. That's why I put it first, so we can get to the good stuff after this one. Check it out. 26,316 streams a day. If you don't have the fan base to do this, then this will be difficult to do. However, I just want to throw the streams in there because this is a big thing for everybody. And trust me, if you're getting 26,000 streams a day, then you have money lying in other places that hopefully that you're getting from your fan base based on the system that you've built for yourself. So check it out, 26,316 streams times our average stream rate, which is only for the master, is 0.0038, and that equals $100. There you go. All right. Now, our next thing here, fan memberships. I've been saying these fan memberships are coming. Let me throw the Discord video up one more time. Check it out if you ain't seen it yet. All right, now our fan memberships. 300 fan memberships a month at $10. If you're starting out, $10 may be cool. You may have to build some experiences in here. 150 fan memberships at $20 or 120 fan memberships at $25 a month. I'm not talking about Patreon, y'all. I know you think I know this already, Casey. I know it. No, I'm not talking about Patreon. If you go look at my Discord video, you'll see what I'm talking about. So I'm talking about all of the people that know about, hint, hint, Circle.so or Mighty Networks. There's your game right there for today's video. Let's go to the next one. Live shows, show opener. 4 shows a month at $750 a show. Now, if you want to keep everything tight between your band members to make sure that your music is tight, download the master and pub split sheet below so you can square all that stuff away. But let me explain the $750 a show. This is for everybody who's just getting started, who's done the open mics and who's ready to step out of it and become that show opener because they talked to the talent booker or the talent agent or whoever's booking at the club. This is for you. This is where you at. You need 4 of these joints a month. And if you can make 4 of these joints a month right here, you're going to make at least that. You can make at least that and you be good. Okay? Somehow, some way, you got to do that. Now, let's go to the next one. 3 pieces of merchandise per day at $35. Now, you got to have a fan base built for this, or you at least got to be running some ads for this. Got to be a little bit more savvy. So the thing about the merchandise is that you don't necessarily have to be doing extremely well on the music to build a merchandise business. Hint, hint. You can start the merchandise business as long as the joints is dope and run the ads and be making money while you working on your music. Y'all, the internet makes this thing endless. You can start the merch line before you even start the music. And then the music can catch up to the Come on, man. Anyway, 3 pieces of merchandise per day at $35. $105 a day times 30, $3,150, man. Book a call with me. Come on, man. Stop playing. Give some lessons. Give some lessons, man. Now, this is the physical way to give some lessons. $100 per lesson. I realize that in some areas across the country or in your area, $100 may be a little much. If you're teaching little children to play piano, you might run into the issue with the parents saying that, $100 is too much, depending on what side of town you stay on or the income of the city, rather, or what the city can afford. But it's not really going to be worth your time if you're not charging at least $100. So check it out. You can do $100 in the physical person per lesson, 7 lessons a week. I don't care if you're teaching children how to rap. I don't care if you're teaching people how to sing, whatever. You teaching piano, guitar, drums. I don't care if you're teaching people how to use the beat machine. You can give some lessons. 7 lessons a week, 28 lessons a month, $3,000. And if you really want to get gangster and step this thing up, then you turn it into digital lessons where you can do this all at one time. You can put 28 people in one lesson digitally and then rock out. You can put 28 people in one physical class if you had a space, but you definitely can do it digitally, or you can just make these lessons and then sell them as courses. But there you go, $3,000 a month. It ain't hard to do. You just got to put some elbow grease into it. Now, here's what I want to talk about for my rappers and my singers, all right? Just because nobody knows you doesn't mean you can't do this. We need rappers to rap lyrics to stuff all day long that ain't theirs or that they can write for synchronization purposes and other general purposes other than just making your own material, all right? The best way to do this would be Sound Better, all right? Check them out. Now, $300 per job, 10 jobs per month, $3,000. Now, you don't have to specifically use Sound Better. You can do it however you want to do it to be a session vocalist. But I'm just throwing it out there. And if you live in a city where there's like a studio role, like a Nashville, LA, New York, Atlanta, Miami, wherever you are, and people know that, oh, that's that session, singer. She knows how to do this, or he can do some great backgrounds. You just go to hey man, look, I do background raps. It's all on how you sell it, man. I don't want to dibble and dabble and ramble, but here's a practical solution. If you think that all of that or one of those categories are too hard, I just combine all of them together, reduce the effort, and then here you go. You got a model right here. Casey Graham is bringing it to you because you didn't book a call with him yet in the bottom right-hand corner. 5,263 streams a day or $20 a day. I see how I reduced it. That'll give you $600 a month. 60 memberships a month. That's at the $10, $600, right? If you had that. Those monthly memberships, we got to work on them because those are new. Those are new. Outside of Patreon, these you're going to see it's new. So you got to play with the pricing. $600 monthly on the show. I just reduced the price for the show so that $750 wouldn't be too pricey. That's you do one show. You do one show at $600, you get $600. 9 pieces of merchandise monthly instead of 3 of them a day. At $35, that's $315. 6 lessons at $50, that equals $300. As if you just did it at $50. I don't recommend it. Bump it up to $100. And then 2 vocal jobs at $300. That's $600. So what I didn't do was put a grand total in here. So we're just going to add it up and we're going to do and make this and do this on camera. What's my grand total? All right, so my grand total, you can't see, $3,015, right? That's my grand total. $3,015 right there. That's totally doable. And that will really help some of you all quit your job. That's what my show is about. Helping people quit their jobs doing this music thing. And there's so many ways to do it. You gotta have that creative mind to do it. Anyway, that's been the show today. I'll holler at you all later. Log on to musicmoneymakeover.com and book a call with me there. Peace. Everybody, thanks for watching the show. Log on to musicmoneymakeover.com/shop to download all my books and free guides. And while you're there, click on the book a call tab to get a one-on-one Zoom call with me to get all your music business questions answered and solved. Thanks for watching.